Is your Android phone suddenly showing ads everywhere, even when you're not using any app? Is your battery draining unusually fast, or your phone heating up for no reason? Or worse, apps installing automatically without your permission? That's not a glitch, that's malware. And here's the problem. Some of the most dangerous malware doesn't look suspicious at all. It hides in plain sight. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step method to remove it, including one hidden setting that can stop malware from being removed completely. Here's something most people don't realize. Android malware doesn't look like a virus. It looks like a normal app. And that's exactly why it works. So instead of basic tips, I'm going to show you a deeper cleanup process. The same approach used when standard fixes don't work. And one of these steps is the reason many people fail to remove malware completely. Let's fix your phone. Before we start, let's confirm the problem. If your phone has random pop-up ads, even outside apps, sudden battery drain, phone heating without heavy usage, unknown apps appearing, high data usage, then yes, your device is most likely infected. But here's something important. Even if you don't see all of these signs, your phone could still be compromised. Once you are sure, the first to do is turn off the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Why? Because malware often communicates with external servers. It can send your personal data or download more harmful files in the background. Disconnecting the internet immediately limits further damage. Now we isolate the problem. Safe mode disables all third-party apps, including malware. To enter safe mode, press and hold the power button, long press power off, then tap safe mode. Some devices need to be shut down and start with volume button pressed. Different Android devices have different methods to enable the safe mode. You can search on the internet to know the exact method your device need to be in safe mode. Once your phone restarts in safe mode, only the essential services run now. If everything feels normal again, then the issue is definitely caused by a malicious app. Now that the malicious apps are not running, you can perform the cleanup. Now open the settings. Then go to the Apps section, App Management. Carefully scan the list. Look for apps you don't remember installing, recently installed apps, apps with strange or generic names like Cleaner, Booster, or Security, apps you didn't install. Malware often disguises itself as helpful tools. Uninstall anything suspicious immediately. Now this is important. Remember that hidden trick I mentioned at the beginning? This is it. Some malware gives itself special control over your device, which is exactly why it won't uninstall normally. It has permission to become your device admin. To remove it, go to Settings, Security, More Security and Privacy, then tap on Device Admin Apps. If you see any unknown app enabled, disable it. Then go back and uninstall it. This is one of the most important steps. Skipping this can leave malware stuck on your phone. Now we check how deep the access goes. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, then Privacy Controls, and open Permission Manager. Here go with the important permissions such as camera, location, microphone, one by one. If you find any app that doesn't need to have that permission, revoke that app. Make sure check Display over other apps permission. With this permission, apps can show the pop-ups and advertisements on your device. Then check the accessibility permission. With this permission, the app can start automatically and can access everything. If any unknown app has these permissions, remove them or uninstall the app immediately. These permissions allow malware to spy on you, record your screen, or control your phone. I know that you are overwhelmed with manually managing the permissions. Don't worry, later in the video, I will show you a tool that has an application audit feature. You can manage all installed app permissions from one place. So stay tuned. A lot of people miss this step. If you're seeing ads in Chrome or any browser, it might not even be an app. It could be browser malware. To fix it, open Chrome browser, then open its settings. Go to the Site Settings. Here, scroll down and go to the pop-ups and redirects. Select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. Then, make sure the intrusive ads option is set to blocked. Now, go back and open the notifications. Here, check the Allowed section. Tap on the More option and disable the notification of sites which you don't want to see. If you don't want that any site can ask for notification permission, you can disable it all. Then go back, look for Delete Browsing Data, select Cookies and Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Then tap on Delete Data. This alone fixes a huge percentage of malware-related issues. Now clean leftover files. In the settings of your device, search for Storage. Open it, then tap on Cleanup. Here you can see what data will be cleaned. Every app on your device, have cache, and temporary files. This not only occupy lots of storage, but also have some hidden installers or data. So clean up the whole thing. After all the cleanup, it's time for preventing the reinfection. Go to the Settings, Security, tap on More Security and Privacy. Then tap on Installation Sources. Make sure all the installation sources are disabled. Malware often uses this setting to install other apps silently in the background. Now let's make sure all the apps are genuine. In your settings, tap on Security and Privacy. Then tap on App Security. Then on Google Play Protect. Here, tap on the Scan button. It will scan all the apps installed on your device. This helps detect known harmful apps automatically. Now here's the reality. Manual steps work most of the time, but not always. Some malware is designed to hide very deeply. That's where a trusted tool like MalwareFox Anti-Malware becomes extremely useful. Search it on the Play Store, or simply click the link in the description. Install it, and then run a full scan. Scan will look into all your installed apps, one by one, and catch the malicious one. Make sure to enable the Scan Storage option so that it won't just scan the apps, but also look into the hiding malware on your device. The tool I mentioned previously with App Audit feature, this is the one. If you enable the usage access, you can check which apps has which permission and can also see their internet usage. MalwareFox protects you from malware and has features like device tracking, call blocking. The web protection feature prevents you from landing on unsafe or malicious websites. Now make sure that your Android device has recent security patch installed. Go to your settings, scroll down, and tap on System and Update. Check for update, and if there is any update available, make sure to install it. Updates fix security vulnerabilities that malware often exploits to enter your device. If nothing works, this is the final and most powerful solution: resetting the device to factory settings. However, this will erase everything on your phone. You need to have backup of all your data before following this step, but surely it will remove the most stubborn malware. Go to the settings, search for Reset, tap on Reset Your Phone, then tap on the Erase All Data, Reset to Factory Settings. You will have to enter your device password. So yeah, that's the complete process. If you follow these steps carefully, you can remove almost any malware from your Android phone. And honestly, if you want extra protection and peace of mind, using something like MalwareFox Anti-Malware can save you from dealing with this again. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more practical tech guides.